Good day, my name is Dali Bensel. I was employed as a store manager in Pretoria. I have 11 years working experience in the retail sector and 4 years working experience in the construction sector. I completed my senior certificate in 1988 and I attended the following courses for broker results: an admin course, a sales manager's course, a general management course, an HR management course, a food manager's course, a receiving manager's course, a stock control course, a security course, and a housekeeping course. I can describe myself as a dedicated and trustworthy person. I am interested in any retail sales, area management, and marketing positions. Thank you for reviewing my profile, and I look forward to meeting you.